Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading that may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have in your circumstances, guys. So these cards are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius. So let's start with these cards here. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So we have 3 of earth, 2 of water and messenger of earth. So in your circumstances today, guys, Aquarius, you are someone who is a grounded, practical person. You are devoted to your work, hard working, and you are someone who has that strong willpower and determination. So whatever works for you, you go for that, guys. So it may be in your work situation or relationship. You are someone who has that grit, perseverance and patience no matter what. So you may be seeing some difficulties today in your life, in your work maybe, but when you take up something, when you make some decision, you stand by it and you are committed. And you are someone really friendly, helpful. You help others and you are a very friendly person, ready to work with people, and you have good communication skills, and you are able to build a good partnership because of that, guys. And today, maybe in this relationship or in your career situation, people find you as a friendly person, a good person to be with, and they find that balance and harmony with you, guys. And you are someone who has that team spirit. You work well with people and you help others, and you try to learn and grow, try to improve yourself and collaborate positively, guys. So in your career or in your relationship, your friendly nature stands out, and that may be the reason even in this relationship, guys, this person you love, they may see you as a friendly person and they feel really harmonious and balanced with you, and you are building on a beautiful relationship. You both have that mutual trust, love, you care for each other, respect for each other. So that mutual respect, caring and love is there, and this person simply brings out the best in you and you feel really confident and inspired to be with them, guys. So that is what makes this relationship a positive one today. Maybe if you are in a new connection with this person, this relationship may work for you, guys, because you have a very positive energy between you both. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is Emperor. So with this card, it just means that you are someone who has a lot of confidence in yourself, faith in yourself. So you go by your rules, whatever you have, and maybe that may be the reason this person loves you. You are someone who has firm beliefs and ideals, and you try to do the right thing each and every time. That may be the reason this person loves you guys, Aquarius. So for your career situation guys, we have Ace of Air. So with this card guys, maybe in your work, whatever was not clear or whatever was confusing guys, maybe you need to understand that you are seeing these circumstances because destiny is pushing you towards something positive, and there are transformations waiting to happen for your own highest good guys. So destiny or fate is working in your life today, karma maybe, and it is going to take you towards something really positive in your work situation guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today guys, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now guys, Aquarius. For your love reading guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, this is your first card guys, and it is I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to change certain things or you are wishing for things to be different today. But whatever you do, whatever you are doing, maybe the efforts, whatever it is guys, your personal will and efforts are not going to make any changes today, because you are in a karmic cycle. So whatever is destined to happen in your life is what is unfolding today. So you are trying to limit your experiences or your circumstances through your range of vision, but what is happening is something beyond our control and beyond our comprehension. So destiny is unfolding in your life and you need to understand that guys. And maybe you are moving towards a life change, an accelerated life change. You will be caught up in a wave and you will be taken much farther and faster than expected. And you will feel pushed towards some changes that are unfolding on its own without you liking or disliking those changes. But you need to understand that it is for your best and it is your divine destiny that is unfolding, and it is going to create a very great change in your life, something unexpected. So destiny is working in your life today guys, you need to understand. And this destiny has been waiting for you, this divine destiny has been uh, waiting to unfold in your life, guys, and it is something good, something positive. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So your circumstances may seem out of control, and that may be your destiny today, guys. And it is pushing you towards something, and you need to understand that, and you need to embrace that change, whatever is coming in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, for those who chose this second card, we have mending. So, with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a healing energy in this relationship, in your life. Forgiveness, healing from arguments or some misunderstandings, whatever it is. So, forgiveness is necessary if we want to move forward in our life, guys. Separate or together, you both are experiencing feelings of hurt. The effects of hurt are impacting your life. You are hurt, and maybe this person is also hurt. So, this energy needs to be cleared if you want to bridge that gap, to find that harmony in your relationship. So, closing your heart is not the answer, guys. You have the power to heal this wound. So, whatever needs to be done, you should do it. So, ask yourself, you need to ask yourself, what will love do to you and to that other person? And if you forgive, only goodness will come out of it, because we forgive the other person only when you have that love and we want to change, and that is a honest a thing to do. If you truly love this person, you need to make amends, guys. Maybe say sorry to them if you have wronged them, or if they have wronged you, they need to tell you sorry and make amends. Work towards that harmonious, balanced relationship, and this is the right time for that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.